This part is actually not for visitors.
No? So
No, I
what's
mean
wrong?
because it's just the market is there.
Why is so many boats?
Because this is the fishing part.
Oh,
These boats go for
okay.
fishing.
Right?
That's
Wow, it's nice weather. Eh? Do they use the boat?
Yeah. They use the boat for the fishing
But why is in the ground? No?
because they have come back for the rest.
Okay.
And they'll go back to maybe tomorrow morning again. Like they go early morning, right?
Right.
They go around 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30.
Oh,
Go
okay.
inside, fish for 3-4 hours, and come back and sell here.
So actually you can buy some fishes.
Yeah.
Everything is here.
It's fresh fishes.
Wow.
No, that's the government notified area for selling fishes.
Okay.
See this one, the right one. These two buildings.
Right one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a
It's like a fish area.
great,
It's same as-
modern fish market.
Like we have that in Taiwan too.
That one. So everyone comes here and sells it.
Wow. Let's see.
It's good, right?
Yes.
It's hot, but
It's like a Kaohsiung.
Yeah.
Qijin.
yeah. Kaohsiung has beach, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's-
Like a Qijin.
Yeah. You know these buildings?
Huh?
These are made by government for the
Okay.
poor people.
Oh. So they can stay here. They can live here.
So they can live here. You're right.
Okay. That's two.
These are made by government. These
Okay.
buildings.
And that's new.
Yeah, that's it.
Also built by government.
I have to check this one. I don't know about this one. But I guess this would be built by government too.
Oh, let's see. What name of the sea?
It's the Bay of Bengal. An Indian Ocean.
Yeah, Indian Ocean. Oh, it's called Indian Ocean, right?
Yeah.
So you come here often, or?
Not in this part. I go to the next beach. There's another beach after
Right.
this one, 5-6 kilometers from
Okay.
here. It's a pretty beach. There are many shops. There are
Oh.
200-300 shops there.
Okay.
We go to that part of the beach because it's more commercial. This is for fishers and
For fishers, okay.
Yeah. This is not commercial.
Okay.
That part of the beach is commercial.
That is like, why it's a house?
Yeah,
like
it's a restaurant.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Hey, so people are staying here, right?
Yeah. For this kind of local area, see?
Okay.
You can check it's a local area. You know, small poor people.
So
live
like
here.
the fresh seafood.
Yeah, they sell fish food
Okay.
and they live here.
Wow, today's nice weather.
It's a very good weather today. It's very clear, right?
Yes.
That's a temple.
Oh, that's timber.
I'll take you to the temple. Tomorrow we are going Mahabalipuram, right?
Okay. Yes.
It's a huge temple.
That's huge. I
Very
saw
big
the from the
Photos.
internet. It's one of the
UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Right.
It's 1,000 years old. 1,000 years old.
1,000. Wow.
So old.
So cool.
It'll take around 1.5 hours tomorrow for the drive. Oh, it's crazy. See the bus. See, he overtook us. He's a crazy guy.
It's like the ba ba ba.
Yeah. Go.